Okay, so right here you're going to want to take the head part off, and to do that you need a star tool, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking the head off and I'm going to slide it up in a minute. Yeah, so basically here I'm just unscrewing the head and pulling it off. It should just slide right up off of there like so. Yeah. Okay, so this right here is the new key part. You're going to want to put a little bit of wire dielectric in that before you put it in. Wire dielectric grease. And yeah, so you see this. You're going to pull that out right there. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so now right here we got to get this undone. Push this down like so. Pull this out. Get that out. Alright, so now we have this out right here, and this little key thing right here is a little bolt thing. You're gonna have to unscrew this to get this to pull out. So that's what we're gonna. Now I'm gonna get a little adjustable ratchet. There we go. See if this is big enough. Is that big enough? Yeah. Gotta unscrew this right here. So I got it loose, and now it's hand unscrewable. I just unscrew this right here. The little part comes with another one of these, so you're good. Right there. It comes with another bolt, but I'm just gonna use the same bolt because, you know, why not? So you're gonna want to make sure that you put some of this in there before you do it. Blow that out, make sure there's no dust in it, and put a little bit of this in here. Not very much, just a little bit to keep the water out, like so. A little bit in there. And I'm gonna slide this back through. There's a little groove that it's supposed to meet. Make sure you slide it into this little groove right here, and with that you slide it into that, and then you tighten this back up right here, like so. Yeah, you definitely don't need to take it to a shop to do this. This is easy. It's like the easiest part on the Polaris to work on. It's this right here, and then now what you're gonna want to do is slide this up in here like so, and you got it. Yeah, so that's all the way installed, and the key is all the way in, the little thing. It's tight in the notch, and yeah, that's how you replace it. So now you just put the key in like usual, and you turn it on, and it works just the same as it did. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video.